GG.
Alright, we're moving on to the next portion of our segment. Can I please have Alex, Athena, Nathan, and Marielle up to the stage? Now, one of our contestants asked us to do something special. It is the birthday of their mother. So I will be asking the prompt from them. Hello, Mrs. Lapus. Happy birthday po. Sige, tama na! Alright, Mrs. Lapus, I would like you to tell me your favorite fairy tale.
Of course, Cinderella.
Cinderella! Alright! Special request from Mrs. Lapus. This is the story of Cinderella as told by Nathan, Athena, Marielle, and Alex!
Because I'm your stepmother, and as you know, mothers are bad at their job, so I work with all of you. You're my favorite daughter. Now, hurt her even more. Hi, Cinderella. It's time. Drag you all around.
Stop! Very fun, but if you want better life, yes.
Yes?
All right. Now go get that prince. Okay, time start.
In a call center?
Now.
Oh my god, is that Cinderella? Why are you pretty now? I made sure to make you ugly. How she got the job instead of me? Well, like you ladies, like that's understandable. But like her?
All right, that's exactly how Cinderella went. Thank you to our lovely contestants. Now, for the audience, I'm gonna need you to cheer for your favorite performer. Was it Nathan? Was it Athena? Was it Marielle? Was it Alex? All right, Nathan, it is time for you to sit down. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Fairy Tale Survivor. These players will now tell the story of Cinderella with just the three of them. This is now Cinderella with Athena, Marielle, and Alex.
You suck, you suck, you suck, you suck, you suck. Shut up! I'm here. Not her. Make her the best person. Make sure that she's the ugliest person ever. Alright. Freeze! Freeze! Do you want to be the prettiest girl in the world? Okay, now come with me. Bibbidi, bobbidi. Okay, you're pretty now. I don't know anything about you. Boundaries, your problem. Objection! They gotta kill whatever they kill. Oh my god, you're pretty now! What? Can you guys believe that? She's pretty! She got a job! Well, like, duh, and like, you're like, nah. So like, you're so free!
Amazing retelling of the story all night. I'm gonna ask you the same thing. Who was your favorite performer? Was it Athena? Was it Marielle? Was it Alex? All right, Athena, time to say goodbye. This is now the story of Cinderella as told by Marielle and Alex. Napakagaling. I love literature. Alright, audience, same question. Who was your favorite performer? Was it Marielle? Was it Alex? Alright, Alex, time to take a seat. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now Cinderella as told by Marielle and Marielle only.
Why must I continue cleaning this damn house? It's never spotless. Cinderella, you must continue cleaning this house. What am I supposed to do, Mom? You gotta drag her around. Okay, Mom, got you. Very good. Who are you? Well, Cinderella, do you want some change in your life?